Everyone, it's Hannah Double 497, and I just got like 5 new Webkinz and like 3 new little pet shops. One of them I really want to show you, so I'm gonna show it to you last. So put it to the side. Okay, so first I got this Webkinz pink horse with some shiny hooves. You can see the shiny. And there's a W. It came with a code. I got all 5 codes because I got 2 Kinz clips. So there's the horse, and then I got this gray cat. She came with a Kinz clip. So just a second, I'll show you. There's the gray cat. I named it. I'll tell you their names in a second. Just a second. Where is it? Okay. Here's the cat's Kinz clip. It's so cute because its eyes are giant and the rest of it's small, so it's like that, and there's its W mark. It's a clip because of that. Then I got this brown dog. It's all shaggy. I have a golden retriever, but I didn't get it today, so there's that. Then this is the dog's Kinz clip. It's cute, but it doesn't look anything like it, but it's like, yeah, never mind. Then, okay, here's the little pet shops I got. I got this elephant. Got the elephant. Then I got this cute little monkey. Oh, all 3 of those pet shops came in the tubes that I got from Walmart. And then I got the Webkinz from Walgreens. So there's the monkey. I think I'm gonna name it like Fred or something. Now here's the thing you've all been waiting for. What's it called? Yeah, drum roll. Here it is. Oh, isn't it beautiful? It looks just like Brooke, and it's a sparkle pet. See, it's like a tiger and it sparkles. It's like Brooke Hayes from LPS Popular. So, see, look, he looks so pretty. Bye.